If you follow the official Vite.js guide and you use the npm command line interface running the npm create vite at latest command will take you through the entire rigmarole from naming your project to selecting the technology, which could be rather time consuming if you're in a hurry. If you would rather just skip all of those interactive prompts, then you can run this command here, npm create vite at latest if you want, the name of your application, and then here's the critical part, you have to pass in this double dash. This is the delimiter flag, and then space, and then you can pass in another flag telling the CLI that you're about to pass in a template. In this case here, in this scenario, I'm passing in the use Vue library with TypeScript, so vue-ts. Okay, and this is the documentation over here in the guide. If you want to go with just vanilla JavaScript with Vue, then you simply just pass in Vue over here, foregoing the -ts. And conversely, if you want to use React, then it's simply just React.-ts, etc., etc. And then from here, the interactive shell is very straightforward, and that's it. You can start your project. Now, if you are using pnpm or yarn, you do not have to pass in the delimiter flag, as you can see here. If you pass in the delimiter flag before the template flag, it'll just run you through the entire rigmarole. And so, again, if you're using yarn or pnpm, remove the double delimiter, the double dash delimiter flag. Okay, just so you will run your command just like this. Now, I've aliased pnpm to just pn in my gh.config file to avoid extra typing. And this will be exactly like it was before. A lot of people get this wrong. I've gotten a lot of questions asking me why my script isn't working. It's because they're adding the extra double dash, just like if they were using it for npm. npm is a lot older than pnpm and yarn, and so if you're running npm in your CLI, you have to add that extra set of double dash, which is like sort of like your delimiter flag. And I'm using Vue and React in my example, but if you're using Svelte or something else, it will work exactly the same if you're using Vite. Okay, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny. Thanks for watching. See you next time.